You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, American actor. If you want to learn more confusing names of celebrities from movies, stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you. So let's hear Gavin, not Gavin, right? Gavin Casalegno. I believe his last name is from Italian, and GN in Italian is Gn, alright? Casalegno. Gavin Casalegno. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.